Alright guys, let's draw a quick caricature of Ted Lasso. So we're going to start off by drawing our basic head shape. We're going to start with the bottom of the head shape here. He has a very round face, so we're going to make sure that this shape here is very round. The next shape that we're going to do is our upper head shape. And then when we finish the upper head shape, we're going to go to the overhead shape. Should be like the little top part of his hair. I always like to look at my caricature in basic little pieces. This way it's easy for me to draw, so I get rid of do the big pieces first, get that on the paper, and the rest of the picture just kind of comes to me. All right, now I'm finishing the other side of the hair. Make sure we get those long sideburns in. Pretty funny show, I have to admit. Ear shapes in, and now we're going to put our neck shape, and I'll go ahead and add just a few lines to style out my hair a little bit. Now it's time for our eyebrows. So we're going to draw our eyebrows, give them a little bit of expression, that surprise like kind of look he has on the show. From here, we're going to go to our eye shapes. Of course, he does have a startled kind of a look. At first, I was confused about, or not confused, I was tied between going with just drawing circles with the very small pupils in the middle, or doing it more toward the realistic side. So I decided to go more with the realistic, but I could have done something a little bit more whimsical. But you know, there's no such thing as a perfect caricature. The next shape we're going to do is our nose shape. And remember, if you've watched any of my other videos, that the nose is separated into 3 parts. And then all I'm doing is really remembering those parts in my head and outlining those parts. You might want to go back and check that video out on how to draw noses. That's in my Caricature Basics playlist. All right, now we're going to go to that big giant mustache, that signature Ted Lasso, right? Look at this mustache. All right, and then we'll do our smile, and look at that, we're pretty much like done with the line work of the picture. I'm just going to add the shoulder work, put his soccer coach outfit in, and we're just going to draw this little hand here. I like to draw my hands real simple. I have a very simple technique for hands. I think of them as kind of like octopus tentacles almost. And I don't think about it too much. I just draw them and, you know, connect them to a base, and there you have it. You got some hands. So here he's holding a little teacup. So I went a little bit too close to the body, I think, with the hands. So I'm going to have a little trouble squeezing this cup in here, but I'm going to squeeze it in there. All right. Now, let's go to the other side of the drawing here. So some dimples, and now we're going to get into the good stuff, putting our darks in the picture, and we're going to darken in the mustache here. Super awesome. All right, let's put some more style in the hair. And now we're going to go to our gray marker. By the way, guys, I am using Crayola knockoff, so they are just like Crayola markers. You can do this drawing with a Crayola marker. All you gotta do is get the black and gray Crayola out of a Crayola box, and you got the same thing I have. I like to use these grays so that it keeps me from having to add extra lines into the picture to add the depth that I want. So my particular style is less lines is best. That's my motto. And you can see how it just creates a really nice float for the picture. Okay, and we're just darkening in a few things here. And now we're going to do our real darkening. So here I use a Sharpie marker because the pigment from a Crayola is not as dark as you would get from a Sharpie. So I like the contrast that it creates. So I use those to do my hair with. So I keep a lot of big markers. As you can see, this is going to go by very quickly. It doesn't take long for me to do hair. I just use a little squiggle all the way around. Boom, we're done. Go to the other side. Do the same thing. Squiggle it, squiggle, 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 and we're done. All right, so pretty much that's the drawing. We're just gonna add a few little finishing touches in here. I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial. I'll be making more videos and tutorials soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also check out our Patreon page. If you'd like to support the channel, you can go to patreon.com/Razzleworld and get access to exclusive content that'll teach you more about caricature. Hope you enjoyed my Ted Lasso. Have an awesome day. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.